2015 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, Bluetooth, automatic stability control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, backup camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.